Hi, my name is Patricia, and I just wanted to take a moment to kind of share my experience of herbal graviola leaf tea. Now, I have the pure and also the mango tea, and the mango tea I initially bought for my daughter because I don't really care for most mango products, but I tried the mango tea and I decided to keep it for myself because it is actually pretty good. Now, the pure tea is not flavored, but it has a really pleasant taste also. So I wanted to try the Herbal Graviola leaf tea to replace other relaxation teas that pretty much almost put me to sleep. And Herbal Graviola actually relaxed me by providing me with a calming feeling without making me want to take a nap. So it's a tea that I can drink during the day when I just need to wind down a bit, but I still need to keep going. Now, most people haven't yet heard about Graviola or Soursop, and even I didn't know what it was when I stumbled on it when researching, certain types of teas. So Graviola is a tropical fruit that has beneficial vitamins and minerals that are reported to boost immunity, support cell function, and repair your tissues and keep you regular, plus many other benefits. Now, like I said, I use the tea to keep me relaxed, but alert, and Herbal Graviola leaf tea does just that. So Herbal Graviola also offers other products such as extracts in liquid and capsule, and also a powder that can be added to cereal, smoothies, and other types of recipes. So visit their website at www.herbalgraviola.com to learn more or to get your organic Graviola products. Thanks for watching.